What's up guys, today I'm at the shop. I am working on the wiring on the E36. It's a lot of wires everywhere. I already deleted all these wires from the interior. This is from the passenger side, which is starting to clean up a little bit. I'm not done yet, but progress has been made. I'm deleting the rear amplifier to get rid of more wiring. Wait till you see how the front looks. Look at all the wires that I got over here. So I'm gonna like clean this up in less than half once I'm done with it. I would like to film it, but it's so much work and time consuming. I don't want to film and bore you guys with that. Here's some of the stuff that I'm gonna be installing today. I got speakers. I got speaker spacers, since these are 6.5 speakers, 6.5 inch speakers. Then I'm gonna try to install a NerdTech dash plate along with a Turbo Smart boost gauge. I got like a lot of electrical tape. I got a bunch of the Scotch Super 33 plus tape, and then I got all kind of screws so I can like properly bolt this stuff down with no issues. It turns out the new place is like super loud. There's like noise from this side, noise from that side. Well, that doesn't really count. And then the lighting on here is not very good. It's like really hard to film like inside the car, which by the way, I got the speakers, at least the front speakers are installed. Got that one there, got that one on the other side over there. Then I've been cleaning up the wiring. I took a whole bunch of wires that I didn't need and made this loom a lot thinner. So far I'm like zip tying in place, and I would probably like tape it or something. Then I also eliminated all the factory wire that goes from the radio to the built-in amplifier. So now I have this tiny loom instead of like 3 times this size that it was before. Then I can like probably like tie this to here, something like this. And then once I put the aluminum floor panels at some point, it will cover everything over here. I went ahead and removed the whole back thing as well, so now the speaker holes are exposed. And then also over here you can see that the wiring is a lot thinner, and I run it through the factory hole and everything all the way back there. Hopefully I will have time today and I can put on this aluminum door panels that I got, which hopefully I have enough time for that. And then to top it all off, I'm gonna be wrapping them same as the roof with this carbon fiber vinyl. Hope you guys like this better. One side of the car is done. This wire still goes through here for now. This is the RCA for the radio. I already have nowhere else to put it, and you can't run it next to the power line, so that's why I have a little bit separate. If not, you get like static or engine noise in the woofers. I don't want that. I clean up all the wires over there. This wire is for the ECU. This is the USB port for tuning, so I have it here because I'll be working with that later. And then over here you can see I run all the wires with the power wire zip tied together, so it's all one wire here and nothing else. Now I'm going to be installing the NerdTech dash plate. I already put a Turbo Smart boost gauge, and I put a toggle switch on here as well. This one is for the hazards and the window switches. The NerdTech dashboard plate is installed. I think this boost gauge is not gonna cut it because it has like this really deep face, and I can't really see the numbers from up here. So I'm probably gonna have to get a different gauge or put another gauge there, and maybe make a little plate to put the gauges up here or something. Unless I were to like make another hole over here and just put the boost gauge up here. And we could probably do that. And now I got my window switches up here, hazards down here, and it's all cleaned up. Check out the wiring now. There's no wires in the floor. Obviously there's a computer wire here. I have to see where I put that, and aux cable for the iPhone, and that's about it. Now it's time to work with the door panels. These door panels were sent to me by Hellrod_M on Instagram. Go check out his page. He's making some cool aluminum accessories for BMW. These are the panels that I will be installing on my car. They're like aluminum, rubber, and then aluminum on the other side, so they're pretty lightweight. They also got this really nice red straps that you put on so you can pull the door through these, but I don't have to like stick your hand on the panel. And I have the opening already for the door handle, which is over there. Now, I guess the first thing I'll probably try to do with this thing is remove this film and start wrapping them with the carbon fiber vinyl so I can get them to look how I want it before I install them. Another thing I wanted to say was that he included all the hardware. He includes rib nuts and Allen bolts, but I don't have the tool to do the rib nuts here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use some self-topper screws. This is what the panels look like without the cover on. It actually looks really good, but I already had made up my mind about doing the carbon fiber vinyl on this. Door panels are wrapped. Now I need a heat gun because I don't have one here, so I can like bend the corners in. If I don't use the heat gun, I'll just like crinkle up and mess it all up. So I'm gonna finish this for today and then come back tomorrow and finish this up. I don't think the vinyl that's on my door is liking the wind too much. It's been ripping off right there when I go on the highway. So it's time to get this thing off and match it with the other side. The driver door now looks just like the other side, so now it's matching on both sides. We got white, black, white, and then we go over to the other side and we got white, black, white. Sweet. At least that matches. Now check out the new door panels. They're already wrapped in carbon fiber, so ready to begin installation on these. And here we have the interior all cleaned up. Check out the passenger side. I got the NervTech dash thing in place. And now just need some panels to clean everything up. First thing I ended up doing with the door panels, just put this handle strap. Then you can see this little dot I did here. I line up the door panel where I want it center. That way it will not hit with the door jambs over here and their weather stripping. Now it's ready to begin installation. On the other side, it doesn't have this nice little hole over here, so I have to make a new hole for the strap so I can bolt it down. I guess I'll go ahead and make a little incision right here. Alright, skipping that, got the hole done with the other bit. Bolt is in place, now it's ready to align the door panel. Wow, I must say I wasn't expecting that it was gonna look this good right now. Just look at this, you open the door. Oh, wait. Aha, yes. Carbon fiber door panels. Now that I'm outside with better lighting, you can appreciate how good the panels came out. Really shiny. Well, that's all my fingerprints everywhere. Just gotta wipe them down. Look at the other side. Interior is all like super clean now. Now it's looking like a better car. All right, the panels and everything installed, and today Cletus decided to stop by because he's gonna go skid racing today.
Hell yeah, brother. Look at this. Look at this. We're on the drift life. We took drag radials off of this, and we got some drift tires. It's going down today, folks.
So he's gonna have Achilles 123 race tires on this thing right here.
Yes, sir. Leroy's going drifting.
Dude, it looks so much better in person than it does in pictures. That thing is huge.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
I mean, the car's tiny, but the engine is bigger than the car. Just look at this.
Big boost, you know?
Just boosting with all of it. Now I have a good daylight shot of what the interior looks like. Here's the panels. I got these things. One thing I forgot is I gotta take this off from here and glue it to the outside so it will sit flush. I haven't done that yet because I still gotta get one for the other side. So once I get the other side, then I'll take them off and do that. But check out the wiring. Right now there's nothing here. I got this loom over here all tied up, and all the necessary wires that run to the radio and everything else are over here nice and tight.